2017 Kia Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, MP3 player, child safety locks, CD player, bucket seats, security system, trip computer, power door locks. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.